So here is basically how you can clock in 30,000, 20,000, 18,000, $16,000 profits, right? This is okay. If this is one of the top, okay, what about some of the lows? 2,000, basically four-figure profits to five-figure profits through copy trading. And if you haven't done so, make sure you stay till the end of the video. Of course, you haven't done so because you're only up to here. But if you haven't done so, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe so that you can stay updated with the latest, the fanciest, and the most amazing in crypto. Guys, copy trading. Okay. Now, if you haven't heard of what copy trading is basically there is a bunch of really, really, really intelligent guys who basically trade cryptocurrencies. So if we go here, these are the top traders, and these guys are clocking in these kind of percentages over a period of time. You actually have to open this up to actually follow what it is. And so the biggest copy trading platform exists on this exchange called BitGet. And so these people then sign up to then become what's called a master trader or a principal trader. And then people then can choose to allocate a portion of their funds to actually follow them, getting messages from left, right, and center. People, I guess, telling me about their profits, I guess, which is nice. In this channel, we have a deep dive into what it actually looks like to actually follow these people. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you some of the potential around it. Of course, the best way to sign up to these guys is by going to the link in the description below, so that you're not going to like a phishing website or anything like that. So that you're actually signing up with the actual exchange. We do have an interview with somebody who actually runs this whole thing as well. So yeah, which is quite a privilege. So make sure you keep watching my channel. I can't talk today. So this person here is a trader. So in the last 7 days, we can see that he's clocking at 130, 140, 160, 130%. The 164, I'm guessing he's got entered into a bunch of short trades yesterday. Yeah, it looks like he has, here we go. Some of the short trades he's entering into where he's clocked in quite a lot of profits. Here it is, bang, right there. So each position is getting 78%, which is amazing. He opens about on the 19th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trades just in one day. And he was able to be quite profitable on that as well, of course. So looking at the charts, his account's gone from 7,000, 6,000, all the way up to 9,000 just within a few days. Of course, those few days don't mean anything, but it looks like he has a pretty steady increase, which is good. Now, he has a few losses, but it's not about always winning, but having good amount of wins. Now, why am I reviewing this guy particularly? So he's obviously trading every day as well. Why am I reviewing this guy particularly? Because, well, his followers actually have been doing quite well. So a lot of these people have been trading for a while. These are the profits that each of these accounts have been making. There's 500 accounts that are following him. This is just my dummy account. So obviously this account isn't following this account, of course. I'm not going to share what accounts I am or I'm not following, because it's up to you who you decide to follow. And we don't know how well or bad they're going to do. We can just see their track record, and it's pretty clear and transparent how well their track record has been holding up. And you can subscribe to my channel to actually see what kind of metrics you need to be looking at each trader to actually then decide for yourself whether they're worthy of trading or not. So for example, these metrics are interesting. So this guy has traded a total volume at 83,000 and has profited 33,000. This person has traded a total volume of 189,000, and this person has profited $22,000 over the course of them following them. Of course, we can't tell how long they've been following this person, but I know that this person is reasonably, I think, new to the platform as well, and obviously he is kicking goals. So looking at their charts, where I can see that this person has a very well-rounded I guess investment style with different kind of asset classes they like to invest in. Some people like to invest it with traders that only trade with just one cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum or what have you. But looks like he likes to find opportunities all over the shop, which is I guess fine. But I just want to show you the potential that you can have with copy trading. And so once you start following this person, and obviously there's so many traders that you can choose from, and these traders have to make an application to the exchange, and the exchange then will obviously filter them and their skill to be able to then obviously reasonably maintain the quality control. Now, why did I choose this person to review? Well, what I do is I click AUM, which means assets under management. So this is arranging it from the highest to the lowest. There is a small glitch in the system where they seem to be arranging some of the lower asset under management, I guess, traders, but it starts to be the highest from here. So this guy is managing about $101.34 million worth of crypto. Well, stables to be able to then make the trades that he's doing. Obviously, his spot is full, and as you can see, a lot of these spots are full. And self discipline, they've been around for bloody ages, man. Ethan's been around for ages, though. But if you want to follow Ethan, you want to make sure you have very very small follows as well. So if you do decide to follow some of these people, right? Let's say I chose to follow this person. There's an agreement. Obviously, it means they're not going to be responsible for how it becomes. The minimum is actually $10 USDT. So make sure you follow from very very small, right? And with the risk management, just put in a ratio of take profit and stop loss ratio. So if it goes 10% below your seed, then obviously it's going to close all the position. These are very very helpful risk management there. And obviously everyone's going to be different. So I'm not going to tell you the golden rule or anything like that. It doesn't exist. Okay, so it only exists in what you're doing. And obviously we can you can set a maximum of how much that we're going to follow. So I suggest that you have a good play around in the system, but there's a lot of profits to be able to lock in there as well. So if we open up this guy, for example, we can all see their followers and how well they're doing. This person has made $12,000 with risking $38,000 worth of trading volume. We can see what kind of orders there are. These are their histories, clocking in 30%, 53% on each trade. Well, this guy's not looking too good right now because they've got a lot of positions that are very very negative. Although some of their strategies actually involve doing this, and of course then clocking in many many daily gains to actually get themselves out of it, should I say. Of course, I don't know what that trading strategy looks like. I'd rather have stop losses, and every trader is different. But it's good to then go through this list and make a good pick of what to follow and what not to follow. And of course, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. If you haven't done so, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Much love to you all. Peace out.